Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago talking metals. Let's talk about copper today. Copper finally got some relief from the just unbearable and relentless sell-off it has been in. Copper bulls have been struggling for the last 15 sessions, as those sessions have seen only 3 up days, including today, and even today wasn't much. It was just a little bit of a relief from the selling. We did get close to that $3 level, hitting 298.9. but we didn't quite get above it, so we're still struggling here, and the overall sentiment for copper is still extremely bearish. We did get some of that relief off of comments from Peter Navarro. Peter Navarro is one of President Trump's trade advisors. He's a very aggressive personality, very confrontational, and he actually had some calming words from such an excitable person for the markets that bled into the base metals markets. He said that a report that's due out from Treasury about foreign investment in sensitive U.S. companies has been kind of overblown by the markets. So he was clearly talking directly to market participants, referencing the sell-off we saw yesterday in the hard commodities as well as the equity markets. And those hard commodities rebounded on this if the talk is that they're actually not going to try and prevent, through the Committee on Foreign Investment in the U.S., excessive investment in the U.S. from countries like China. China, of course, the largest consumer of copper. So this actually helped the overall economic outlook, but certainly not enough to relieve the pressure that the bears are putting on the bulls in the copper market itself. Also, there's a company called BMI Research, and they came out with a note talking about an output surge, and that output surge could double the Congo's copper output by 2020. Now, that may seem like a way off, and it certainly didn't affect price today. But when you dig down into that report, Congo currently produces about 1 million metric tons of copper. That could increase to 1.9 million, but the overall global surge that they expect in copper production annually until 2020 is 3.6%. And if we continue in this path of trade wars and sort of obstructionist international trade, growth won't grow at that rate, and copper will not be able to get out of its own way if BMI Research is right. So all of this really weighing on the price of copper, but we did get some relief from that 15-session downturn that we have been in. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.